The Bluetooth technology is being used every day. You might use it to connect two devices together, like an iPhone and an Apple Watch, for example, or a phone to a speaker, which allows you to listen music. So this technology allows connecting devices together, right? But ever wondered how it works? Let us start by discovering why the name Bluetooth. The name dates back more than a millennia to King Harald Bluetooth Gormson, who is known for uniting Denmark and Norway, and for his dead tooth, which had a dark blue color. And that is why he earned the name Bluetooth. Okay, but why naming the technology Bluetooth? In 1996, three industry leaders, Intel, Ericsson, and Nokia, were working together to create a short-range radio technology to support connectivity and collaboration between different products and industries. Jim Kardash, who works at Intel, was reading a historical book about King Harald Bluetooth Gormson, which inspired this man to propose the name Bluetooth. How about the logo? Well, if you look at the Nordic alphabet, we can see that the logo is made of two symbols. The first symbol represents the H, and the second symbol is the B, which they represent King Harald's Bluetooth's initials. The inventor of Bluetooth is Dr. Jaap Hartsen, the engineer who invented this technology and introduced it in 1999 in Las Vegas. Now let's stop talking history and move to the technical part. Bluetooth really eased our lives. While instead of using wires and cords to connect devices such as headphones or earphones, by a simple button press, you are able to stream your music on your wireless headsets. A simple definition of Bluetooth: it is a technology that establishes a wireless connection with devices, so it doesn't use any wire to connect devices with each other, because it uses radio waves to send data between devices at a short distance. It is nearly like Wi-Fi. Both establishes radio waves to send data, but Wi-Fi transmits data from your router to your device, whereas Bluetooth transmits data between devices. But remember, not just any device can connect to Bluetooth. These devices, in order to establish a Bluetooth connection with each other, they need to be Bluetooth-enabled devices or devices that are equipped with a special chip that enables these devices to send and receive data from radio waves. This communication between two Bluetooth-enabled devices is measured in gigahertz. For Bluetooth, it is around 2.5 gigahertz frequency, and these radio waves move really fast. How about the range of Bluetooth? Well, according to the official website of this technology, the range is anywhere from more than a kilometer to less than a meter. Also, this range can vary depending on the device and the environment it is being used in. So an example, you wanted to connect your mobile phone to a speaker. What you'll do is turn on your mobile phone's Bluetooth and search for the device name, which is the speaker, and the settings. The speaker sends signals, which they are radio wave signals, that can be detected by other Bluetooth-enabled devices like your phone. So when it receives this connection, you'll be able to connect your phone and stream your favorite music. This connection is called a piconet. A piconet is a type of wireless personal area network, or PAN, that is created using Bluetooth technology. A piconet consists of the main device and 7 other sub-devices, which they are respectively your phone, who can establish a Bluetooth connection with your speaker, your smartwatch, and some other devices. The main device sets the communication parameters, such as the communication speed and frequency with the sub-devices, which they eventually can communicate with the main device. But sub-devices cannot communicate with each other. A piconet can have up to 8 active devices, with one device designated as the main device and the others as sub-devices. Now another example. Let us say you connected your wireless keyboard and mouse to your PC. Basically, the PC is the main device, and the wireless keyboard and mouse are the sub-devices. Now, to prevent any interference with these Bluetooth-enabled devices, the Bluetooth transmitter changes frequency 1,600 times per second. Not to forget, Bluetooth technology is designed to be low power, which means that it uses relatively little power compared to other wireless technologies. This allows devices that use Bluetooth to operate for long periods of time on a single battery charge. Newer versions of Bluetooth are specially designed to consume even less power than older versions. But it is important to note that the battery of devices depletes in a specific rate depending on what it's doing. For example, an active connection with a device that is streaming audio will consume more power than a simple connection to a device that is in sleep mode. Great, now we know how this technology works. So if we have two Bluetooth-enabled devices, if we turn on this technology for both of these devices, they can connect and transmit data via radio waves, and the connection established between them is called a piconet. Now, Bluetooth technology is generally considered to be safe to use. However, like any wireless technology, it has the potential to be exploited by malicious actors. Two main security concerns of Bluetooth are bluejacking, which means an unauthorized person sends you a message to your Bluetooth device at close proximity, like you're in a coffee shop and have Bluetooth on. Somebody close to you can send you an unwanted message or link. And blue snarfing, which means an unauthorized person gains access to your personal information on your Bluetooth-enabled device without your knowledge, but it requires sophisticated tools to perform that. Bluejacking is not a huge threat compared to blue snarfing, but in order to prevent them, keep your Bluetooth off when you don't need it, and if you need to use it, just be careful and connect to devices you trust and keep your device firmware and software up to date. And this is it on how Bluetooth works. I want to know your thoughts down in the comments. Is there anything you would like to add? I hope this video was helpful, and allow me to interest you in checking out how Google or search engines work, or maybe check out how quantum computing works and how can they revolutionize our future.